everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into review and demo of Horlicks Lite, specially designed for adults. Okay, this one is 450 gram pack with a MRP of 349, but we got it from Amazon for 288 and 1 year is the shelf life. But once you open the pack, it need to be consumed within a month. It comes in two flavor, regular malt and badam, and ours is malt flavor. It's creamy in color, very fine powder, and it quickly clumps when exposed to moisture. The aroma is caramel like, and if you taste the powder raw, it stick to your teeth like a toffee. Okay, one serving is 25 gram, about 2 tablespoons of Horlicks. You can add it in the warm milk or cold milk as per your choice, 200 ml of milk. And see, it tend to settle at the bottom, so you are going to stir it well. After a bit of mixing, you get a creamy texture. The taste is sweet with caramel and malt flavors. Now the important part, it has zero added sugar, but it contains artificial sweetener which are not suitable for kids, pregnant women and lactating mother. It is clearly mentioned on the pack, so it is strictly for adults only. Nutritionally, it is rich in essential vitamins and mineral, has no added sugar, low in fat, high in protein, 13 gram per 100 gram of powder. Okay, and the ingredients include 65% cereal extract, plus there is barley, wheat, milk solid, and the list is here. Overall, it is recommended, or I would say great for undernourished adults seeking quick energy and immunity support, but avoid if you are diabetic or on BP medication. That's all for this video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.